There's Nathan taking too fucking long.
Yes, I know.
What a slow poke. Oh my god.
Okay, here we are.
Where are we?
Good.
Are we? Oh, we're here. We passed the tower. Oh, we passed it.
Yeah, we can't get
This
in
is
the
the
tower.
tower right here, and then
Ah,
You ready to go to
Like
the elevator,
before.
Sam?
Yes. Gotcha. All right, let's go.
Yeah, let's ride this old steel junker here.
This thing is a janky.
Yeah, the old door jam. Come on, focus.
This thing's
there.
old as fuck. I wonder if this was converted.
Software house card reader from.
We'll be
that's
right back.
the Level 2B. Acme indicator. But it is Adam's survivor buttons.
Yeah.
And you can see an old indicator above the door.
Mm-hmm. They got the lanterns that I only ever see on the CTA.
Yeah, they look like they're very fragile.
Oh yeah, I do want one of them though. They're fun.
Yeah, they look like a cool lantern. We should have recorded a full video of the
That
one
one
at the
back.
engineering, the 8-story.
Yeah, we should have. On our way back, let's hit that one we just rode.
Oh, that old one?
Oh, hold the door open for me for a second.
Sure. Hey, I'll just push the door hold button.
Machine room's locked. Where are we? Let's see here.
I pushed the good old DH. It should be holding for a good while.
Nice.
Got that up there. For some reason, my focus is fuzzy. I'm not sure why. Not sure what that panel is back there. It's kind of weird.
I think that's probably some sort of escape hatch.
Maybe.
Old ass door track.
Yeah. All right, we're good to go.
I like this. This thing looks a lot older
Just get a focus.
than you'd think.
Picture the panel. I gotta get a picture of the building from outside too.
We'll get done on our way back.
Yeah, on the way out. When we go outside, I'll get that. I think it's pretty slow though.
Yeah, it's not fast. It's not on the speedy side.
Yeah.
There's Nathan's video.
Watching my video.
Yeah.
Inception.
I'm stealing your content before you even upload it.
No.